welcome back to another banger video. My name is Driller FX, and make sure you give a thumbs up at the end of this video. If you don't like it, subscribe and share with your friends. So today, I'm going to teach you guys this best strategy to grow any account, either a $10, $100, whatever amount you're holding on your account right now. This strategy is actually for you. So it is called price action and also pattern trading. So the pattern I'm gonna teach you guys today is the head and the left shoulder and the right shoulder. So let me give you an example. So this is a left shoulder, right? And the head is the taller part of the body, right? Is the highest part of the body. So this is it. Boom. And we have to make the left shoulder and the right shoulder equal, right? Oh, sorry, I got that wrong. Let me draw it again. Yes, this is the left shoulder, and boom, down, make it very equal. And the head is the higher part of the body. Boom, do it to the downward side. Boom. Then make the right shoulder equal to the left shoulder. All right, then down. Okay, that's it. So let me do this very well to make sure it is equal. Okay, let me get my horizontal line to make sure it is very equal. All right. Okay, so I have to make this equal. Boom. And same thing at the down. Okay. So with this example I just gave you guys, is called pattern trading, and for you to get inside the trade, now it comes to price action, for price to react to this zone or this zone. So right now I'll get my my rectangle, sorry, my rectangle box, and boom, I'll get it this way. So let's just imagine this was a candlestick, right? This is the candlestick, and price go to the zone and got down, right, and broke out of it, broke back in, and now you see price is heading to the zone. Now you saw price respected the left shoulder, right, and there's a big confirmation for you that price is going to retrace at the zone. So what you need to do, you wait for price to get to the zone and at least close two candlesticks on any time frame, but I suggest for the 1 hour time frame, allow to close for one candlestick or two candlestick. I prefer the one candlestick so I could get early into the trade since I know about the spots on trading. So the other thing I need to do is place my stop loss and my take profit. So let me show you guys in the real life market, and this was what I just did right now is an example, so you guys should not get me wrong as an example. So let me show you guys on the live trading market. So let me get rid of this. Boom, and boom. Okay. um, I just have to. Okay, so as you can see right now, price created an head, like I said, is the highest part of the body, and this is the left shoulder. And you see, price came Let me get rid of this. Yo, sorry, yeah. And price came to this zone and did what? Made the retracement down. And price closed at uh 2 to 3 candles. I got in out of second candle. Boom. And price is going down to my direction. So this is my entry. As you can see, boom. It's very easy, and just need to be patient and wait for your tick profit to get hit, and boom, that's it. One thing about trading is patience. Patience. It's patient. Do the setup, be sure it's your confirmation, and just leave the trade, let it run, bro. Let it run long term. So I'm going to show you guys another part on trading, and that's what price action. Like, bro, honestly, you don't need those indicators and stuff. Although you do need them for extra confirmation, but for you to become a very, like, to be very realistic with the market, you need to use just your price action, just the rectangular bars indicating where price, which made a retracement in the past couple of markets, and you're good to go. The indicators are just there following current price action. I get me, current price action. So if price is going to buy, right? If price is going to buy, that is when the moving average will make a crossover for you, giving a confirmation for you to buy long term or short term. But for price action trading, your indicator can tell you to buy, but you knowing price action trading and pattern trading very well, you say, no, this is going to sell. So let's see if your indicator or the price action trading, who is the master in the market. So right now, this is another example. We call this double top. So for you to be a better trader, you need to understand that pattern trading is the best thing for you to learn in trading forex. You don't need to learn how to use a moving average or whatever stuff. See, using those moving average is not like, it's not good, but it's actually for the lazy traders. You need to put in work into the market. Don't just add a bunch of indicators waiting for them to give you confirmation. That's what the lazy trader actually do. Like myself, I did it. I don't want to spend time in the market. I just add a bunch of indicators waiting for them to give me uh, confirmation for me to get into the market. But what most traders don't tell you is this: they actually go deep into the market using price action and pattern trading. Then when they got their confirmation, they want extra confirmation. Then they use the what? The indicators. So don't be lazy. Go get your axe on the market, study the market very well, and boom, you're good to go. Then you can start using the all free indicator or whatever stuff you guys are using. So you can see right here, price made a retracement at this top and also at this top, and I'm coming, and you can see price actually made a retracement right here. One, see price is rejecting the zone, which means price is actually going to sell. Right now I'm on a sell and price is coming back to my entry, and I got my stop loss for 20 pips. Probably that's my lowest pip. My highest is about 30.25. So I don't risk that much. So as you can see, I'm a very price action trader. I go for sniper picks most of the time. And that's it, guys. It's very simple. Very simple. And let me show you guys another one. All right. So this is Euro USD, right? I got to for so why? See at this zone. Let me show you guys a full analysis. Okay. All right. So like I said, you see, this is the head. This is the left shoulder. Price go to this, or you see, Like the example I gave you guys, you can rewind to the video back and see what I did, then come back to this same video and see what I actually gave is exact thing. I get me. This is the head, the left shoulder, and this is the right shoulder. Price came to the right shoulder where the left shoulder made a retracement then and boom, price sold nicely. As you can see, price came back again, create a left shoulder, and this is the egg the sign. And now price came to the right shoulder, which means price is going to sell. So the indicator are not going to tell this kind of stuff, guys. The indicator is not going to. I'm going to show you guys the before and the after. So you guys should be patient. I'm going to add the before and the after in this video. So make sure you stick to the video to the end and peace out.
2,000 years later.
Welcome back. Like I said, I'm actually going to show you guys the starting, which is the before and the after. As you can see, we are currently in a live market. This is not a replay. I'm currently deep in profit, as you guys can see on my screen. So this is how you trade the market without using any indicator, just price action itself. So like I said, the head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Then if you are waiting for a confirmation for a sell, then you have to wait for price to get to this zone. It's all about patience. So I got my stop loss around the zone. You see, price didn't even reach that or around where my SL is, and price just moved nicely and beautiful for about 133 pips, guys. 133 pips, guys. So it's actually easy and very easy to use and trade forex market without any indicator. All you need is the correct skills, the right mentor, and don't forget to check down in the description. I have a Telegram channel where I share free signals, analysis during the weekends, and so on. So let's move down to GBP USD. All right. So as you guys can see on my screen, I did give you guys the setup. Like I said, I was going to show you guys the before and the after. So like I said, the double top price was rejecting this area. I got in for a sniper entry, of course. I'm Drello FX and my Telegram group is Sniper Gang, Sniper Peeps, or whatsoever. But we don't see no drawdowns, so you can decide to join. The link is in the description below, and that's it. So right now I'm about to hit my take profit one and take profit two. So we are currently in the live market, guys. This is not a replay or whatever stuff. I don't have patience to wait. I just want to show you guys real life proof. Many people that do the replay but don't take the market live, trading live. As you guys can see in my screen, I'm currently running in blues. So it's that's very easy, guys. It's very easy. So stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to like and give a thumbs up as well and share, subscribe. Peace out.
That's why I wanna feature the video. I want to pop in on the show. I'm on my birthday, see, I want to.